Hello, and thank you for joining me on Grace by God, One Song, One Truth. Today we're looking at Psalm 136. E lo wali'i wa osise. Oh my Lord, I have sinned. We'll take a listen to the tune now.
E lo wali'i wa osise.
The Bible verse the early missionaries chose for this song comes from Luke chapter 18, verse 13. Le tuwai ia e alofa maya te ultangatanga sala. O God, have mercy on me, the sinner. That's a quote from one of Jesus' parables. And this parable is about two men, one a Pharisee and the other a tax collector, who went to the temple. At the temple, the Pharisee prayed, God, I thank you. I'm not like other men. I'm not an extortioner, unjust, an adulterer, or even like this tax collector here. The tax collector, on the other hand, stood afar. He would not even look up to heaven. Instead, he beat his breast and said, God, have mercy on me, a sinner. Jesus tells us this man, the tax collector, not the Pharisee, went home justified. And why? Because he came before God in humility. He knew he had nothing to give God, that he was a sinner in need of God's salvation. In the parable, Jesus goes on to say, those who exalt themselves will be humbled, and those who humble themselves will be exalted. And that's a beautiful truth from this song. Salvation is God's alone. It is based on His grace and grace alone. It is not based on man's merit or man's righteousness. In fact, apart from God, man has no righteousness. His righteousness is like filthy rags before God. So if we're God's children, the natural response for us will be the first line of this song, E lo wali'i wa osise. Oh my Lord, I have sinned. That's confession. We're telling God we agree with Him that we are sinners in need of salvation. And only God can save. So until the next song, may God keep you and make His face to shine upon you. Take care and God bless.